Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix cannot complete the archive extraction wizard in Windows. So let's get started. The first step you'll have to do is to check your system type. So to do that, go into settings. Now once in settings, click on system. Now scroll down until you see about. Click on it. And over here you'll see your system type, and for my case it is the 64-bit operating system. Now the next step you'll have to do is to open up your browser and now search 7-zip. Now on the second link you'll see download, just click on it, and over here click on the download link that matches with your system type. So for my case it is the 64-bit, so I'll just click on download. Now as you can see over here the exe file is downloaded. Now I'll just double click it, and now when it asks for your permission, just click on yes. Now an installation wizard is gonna pop up. Just click on install. As you can see it is done. Now just click on close, and now try to extract the file again by right clicking on it, and now over here you'll see 7-zip, and over here just click on extract here, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.